This 70s star was every man's dream girl. Try not to gasp when you see her now. Many actresses worry about getting old. They fear that if they lose their looks, they're going to stop getting work. Hollywood is a pretty tough business, and many female actresses understand that. Here are a few actresses who've held on to their looks for years and have proven that age is nothing but a number. Joan Van Ark's career began in the 1960s. She starred on TV and Broadway. The role she's best known for is from Knots Landing. Today, she still has the signature blonde hair, but she has clearly aged. Despite getting older, though, she is still gorgeous. Elizabeth Perkins has played many roles on TV and film during her career. You probably remember her starring with Tom Hanks in the movie Big. She was diagnosed with diabetes in 2005 and has since worked to raise awareness about the disease. She also began living a healthier lifestyle, which could explain how she's managed to look so young. Today she's 67 and looks terrific. Samantha Fox was an actress at the age of 3, and then she changed her focus to music. Her first album, Lamborghini Records, didn't do well. Her second album, Touch Me, made her a star. She stepped out of the spotlight for a while. In 2016, she was on Celebrity Big Brother, and today she still looks terrific. Luke Perry became a household name thanks to his role as Dylan McKay on Beverly Hills 90210. When the show ended, he played on many other shows, including Oz, Spin City, Will and Grace, and Law & Order SVU. He landed a role on the TV show Riverdale in 2017. Sadly, however, Luke died after having a massive stroke. He did manage to hold on to his good looks, though, since 90210 ended. Tempest Storm made a name for herself as an exotic dancer. She stayed in the line of work for 60 years and earned a spot in the Burlesque Hall of Fame. She retired in 1995, but she still makes an appearance every now and then. She's aged, but she definitely doesn't look 90, does she? Vita Von Teese is the master of burlesque. It was losing its popularity when she brought it back to its former glory. She's also a singer, actress, and designer. Over the years, her appearance has hardly changed. She's still gorgeous today. Barbara Mandrell released Sleeping Single in a Double Bed and I Don't Want to Be Right in 1978, and it made her a star. Later, she got her own show called Barbara Mandrell and the Mandrell Sisters. It ran for 2 seasons. In 2015, she reunited with her sisters to host the Unleashed fundraiser. Apparently, there are no unattractive women in the Mandrell family. Katherine Helmond starred in the 90s comedy Soap, and then she played the sexy grandma Mona on Who's the Boss. She has received many awards over her career. Her most recent role was playing Deborah's mother on Everybody Loves Raymond. Sadly, she passed away in February of 2019 from Alzheimer's complications at the age of 89. At the time of her death, she was still gorgeous, and she looked much younger than 89 years old. Actress-model Shannon Tweed is absolutely gorgeous. She's been in a long-term relationship with rocker Gene Simmons from Kiss. They have 2 adult children together, and in 2011, after decades together, the couple finally got married. While Shannon's not modeling anymore, she still looks amazing. Kelly Lynch's acting career skyrocketed after her role in the 1988 film Cocktail. She starred in many successful movies after that, including Roadhouse. She was offered the role of Catherine Trammell in Basic Instinct, but the role made Sharon Stone a star. Time's been pretty good to Kelly. She's 59 years old and she looks fabulous. Kelly's happily married to Mitch Glazer, and they share a daughter. Deborah Harry was a 70s star, every man's dream girl back then. Try not to gasp when you see her now. Debbie was the lead singer of the band Blondie. She achieved tremendous success in 1976, and by 1979 she was on the cover of Rolling Stone magazine. She's gotten older, but she still looks fantastic. Judging by these photos, Salma Hayek is hiding the fountain of youth at her backyard. She's had a very successful career. She's married to a billionaire, and she's barely aged in the last 30 years. Maybe she made a pact with the devil we don't know about. Alanis Morissette was on the top of the world with her music career in the 90s. Life wasn't always easy for the singer as she battled an eating disorder and also some mental health issues. She didn't let those issues destroy her, though, and she still looks amazing. Currently, she's getting ready for a new world tour. Justine Bateman got her big break starring as the airhead Mallory on Family Ties. Back then, she was every boy's dream. Today, she doesn't look much different. She works as an actress, producer, and a writer, and she might be drinking out of Salma Hayek's fountain of youth, too. Just a guess. What aging actor or actress should we have added to our list? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe for more.